Apple cider vinegar keeps the doctor away. Like the saying, an apple a day keeps the doctor away, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar daily keeps the doctor away. Apple cider vinegar (ACV) is crushed, fermented apple keeps the doctor away because of its many health benefits. It is gaining a lot more popularity lately. ACV contains acetic acid, phenols, and the probiotic bacteria which may be responsible for its acclaimed health benefits. It is claimed to have numerous health benefits that include: Number 1. Apple cider vinegar helps in digestion. It might taste quite acidic but is quite helpful in digestion. Number 2. It cures indigestion, gas, acidity, and constipation. It also contains pectin, which helps in the growth of healthy gut bacteria. Number 3. ACV lowers cholesterol levels. Studies suggested that acetic acid found in apple helps in lowering cholesterol levels. It is though advised to take a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in water daily. Number 4. ACV also helps in weight loss. It is suggested that drinking a small amount or taking its supplements before a meal helps in decreasing appetite and ultimately helps in weight loss and belly fat burning. Number 5. Consuming apple cider vinegar is considered to be a great home remedy for those who have diabetes as it helps in lowering blood sugar level. Studies also suggested that apple cider vinegar may improve insulin sensitivity and function, and can ultimately help control blood sugar levels. Number 6. Studies have revealed that ACV improves heart health by lowering blood cholesterol and triglycerides. Dietary acetic acid reduces total cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Number 7. According to an experiment carried out in rats, vinegar also helps in lowering high blood pressure. These preliminary studies on animals need to be confirmed in humans. Number 8. Apple cider vinegar also works well on the skin. Dab it on your face with a cotton ball for a healthy glow. The natural alpha-hydroxy acids and acetic acid stimulate circulation, close pores, and prevent acne. The multitasking ingredient also minimizes the effect of blemishes, dry skin, psoriasis, and eczema. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.